Your favorite subject. Let's talk about septic. Where does all your poop go when it leaves you? All right, let's take a look. So, one way is through a septic system. And in real estate, this is very important for you to know if it's on a septic system or if it's connected to city sewer. So we're going to look at and we're going to see exactly what a septic system is. I don't expect for you to understand exactly what's going on here, but overall, we should understand the difference between a septic system and city sewer. So let's take a look here. Inlet. This is from the house. It comes in, it dumps, you fill up, and then it comes out this pipe. And this pipe goes out throughout your yard, essentially. It goes back into Mother Earth. And there's several different ways it does that. There's a conventional system, there's a chamber system, there's a drip distribution system, there's an aerobic treatment unit, mound systems, recirculating sand filter system, evapotranspiration system, constructed wetland system, clustered community system. Overall, you see the common theme. Sewage leaves your house, it goes into a tank. Tank distributes that across the Mother Earth evenly, and over time, Mother Earth disposes of the sewage. Now, this is very important because when we talk about buying real estate, we may end up finding that the septic tank is full and it needs to be pumped. Or what if the septic tank is busted and there's an issue with the septic tank and it backs up into our house? Do you see that? Do you see how important it is to understand that it's on a septic tank? Because if this tank fills up with poop and that poop has only one way to go, up this pipe into this house, that is where it's going to go. And we want to know if that is something that we need to be aware of before we make an offer on the property. If it's even land, is a city sewer hookup available? Is it septic tank only? We need to know these things before we can really make an education or intellectual decision on moving further into that offer. So let's go to the next one. We have our sewer system. Look at these diagrams. Sewer system explained. You can read through this if you want to know more about the sewer system. But overall though, this is the city. It comes out of the house and dumps straight into this bigger pipe. And now it's not our problem. So for one, septic system, again, it's a big tank, and if this tank gets full or has issues, it is our problem. If it's hooked up to the city sewer, now as soon as it leaves our pipes and goes into their sewer system, it is no longer the homeowner's responsibility or problem. Here's another diagram that I found just to help you understand what it looks like whenever a sewage system is hooked up to the city. It comes straight out of the toilet and it goes straight through the Mother Earth into the city sewer. Normally, you will find the city sewer where the main road is located. It'll be to the side of it or sometimes directly underneath.